Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the Yeedi S14 Plus. If you're interested in the S14 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the Yeedi app. We have all of our devices that you can see on display right here. We want to select and enter into the S14 Plus. And from the main screen, we can see our map right here. Nice detailed map. Obviously, yours will look different depending on the layout of your house. But from this screen, we have a couple map options. The first one is on the right-hand side towards the center. It's a zone. So we can add up to 5 zones on our map to clean and target those particular areas. We also have right below that icon our map settings. So we'll spend a couple minutes here. This is going to be the bread and butter of our mapping features. So top right hand corner, we got 3 dots where we can name, backup, restore, or delete our map. Very center at the top, we can add new maps here. It does support multiple maps. I believe it's 3 maps at a time. We can rotate the map 90 degrees towards the bottom right-hand corner. There's a little 90-degree logo there. Then we have our area name, so we can rename our rooms. We can add virtual boundaries. You can learn more about that here with that little question mark, showing you how to drag and drop them. No-go zones, no mop zones. You can do linears, so you can add walls. You can make that no mopping too, so it's just going to be red or that yellowish color. And then we can add our rectangles, same thing. Then we have our divide option, so we could divide a room right here. It gives you the option, then we can adjust that as needed. We can also combine rooms. If we wanted to add 2 rooms together, you could do that. We can add furniture. This is just for you. If you wanted to build out your map and place furniture for whatever reason, you have that option here. We can adjust our walls. If we need to extend a wall, we can do that too. And then we can adjust and move it. We could select this, and then we could move it way out. Pretty cool. Looks like it maxes out just basically at 10 feet. Then we can adjust our floor material. So there's your options there if you need to reconfigure that. Same with carpet. We can add carpet. Pretty cool. Threshold ramp, if you want to add a threshold ramp, you can place that on the map, just like you would your virtual walls. And then lastly, we can delete an area too. So if for some reason it made a room or something you don't want, you just select an area and we could delete it. And again, everything's really detailed. You can learn more about it. A lot of map customization options right here. Simple and straightforward. Everything you need right here. And again, up at the top, you can add your new map if you want to do multiple levels. Select that, and then you just select Start Mapping. Make sure that you read that over, you have it in the new location, and all of that. And that's been your look at the Yeedi S14 Plus map settings.